All right, we're going to take a look at a few exponents and radicals type questions, right? So we got to be familiar with all this stuff. So as we start, so we had two different questions here, so we have a total of 6 in this video. They're all fairly quick. X to the third times x to the fourth divided by x squared. So the key that we need to know here is that when we're multiplying something with the same base, right? So x and x, so it's the exact same thing, so that's the same base. Then we add the exponents, right? 3 plus 4 is 7. So you would have x to the 7th all over x squared, right? And then once we get here, right, and same base again, just next, 7 minus 2, then we would subtract the exponents, come up with x to the 5th. Right? So when multiplying, gotta add the exponents. When dividing, subtract. Okay? Let's do another one. Same basic setup. We have x squared times x to the 8th divided by x to the 4th. Okay. So remembering, right, when we're multiplying exponents with the same base, we add 2 plus 8 is 10, x to the 10th. All over x to the 4th, right? So we added the exponents when we were multiplying, and then when we're dividing, we are going to subtract, right? We're going to subtract 10 minus 4, that's 6. That's our answer, x to the 6th, okay? There's a little look at both multiplying and dividing exponents with the same base. You're not going to see anything that doesn't have the same base, so don't even concern yourself with that. All right, let's look at, okay, so negative exponents. That can be a little bit tricky. 2 to the negative 2, and the other one we do is 3 to the negative 2. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, these would be two real common ones that you'll see. So when you do that, so all you're really doing is pretend. So if 2 squared equals 4, right? But when it's 2 to the negative 2, we put a 1 on top of the 4, right? And so 2 to the negative 2 equals 1/4. Pretty simple, right? That's really what you do. You just need to know you put a 1 on top of it, on top of whatever the exponent would actually equal, right? So if it's 3 to the negative 2 in this example, right? 3 squared is 9. So that's now the denominator, and then we put a 1 on top of it. So that's simple, right? If it was 3 to the negative 3, let's say, right? 3 to the third is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. You put a 1 on top of it. You get 1 over 27. Okay, so that's how you do negative exponents. Put a 1 on top of it, and then put the denominator just what the normal answer would be. Okay, we got 2 more. Okay. And next. Okay. So here we have x squared to the 4th, right? So the typical mistake here is that people add these two exponents together, right? Where when you have one inside the parentheses, one outside the parentheses, you have to multiply these two. 2 times 4 is 8, so we get x to the 8th, not x to the 6th. Okay, one more chance here, right? We have x to the 4th to the 5th power, right? So again, we're going to multiply the 4 and the 5, so we get x to the 20th, but not x to the 9th.